Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Stock number is A7041. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera here on the back. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Grand Caravan on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.